Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get high and low price labels to show up on your TradingView charts. If you've ever wanted an easy way to see the key price points at a glance, without squinting or calculating them yourself, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly display those high and low price labels so you can analyze trends and patterns more confidently. Let's jump straight in. Alright, first thing you want to do is head over to the price panel on your TradingView chart. Now, just so we're on the same page, the price panel is that column you'll see on the far right side of your chart. It's where all the price levels are shown. Think of it like your compass. It keeps you oriented as you're scanning through the chart's ups and downs. Sometimes people overlook this panel because it feels like part of the background. But trust me, it's actually packed with features that can really make your life easier. Once you're hovering over the price panel, go ahead and give it a right click. This might seem like a small step, but right-clicking here brings up a menu with a bunch of customization options you may not have noticed before. It's almost like opening a toolbox. You instantly get access to features that help tailor your chart to fit your needs. If you accidentally right-click somewhere else, don't worry. Just try again directly on the price numbers and you'll get the correct menu. From the menu that pops up, look for the Labels option. It's usually listed amongst other settings like scaling and formatting, so don't get lost. Take a second to read through the options and you'll spot it. Labels basically means any bits of text or indicators that overlay your chart to make things clearer. By default, TradingView keeps things fairly simple, but this is where you can dial in more precise information like the high and low prices. This can be especially helpful if you're tracking the extremes of a price range and you want those levels highlighted. Maybe you're looking for breakout points, or just want to make sure you're not missing any reversals. When you click on Labels, you'll get to choose exactly which labels you want to display. Find and select high and low price labels. You might see a few other label options. Feel free to explore those later if you're curious, but for now, stick with high and low. Once you select it, TradingView will instantly display the highest and lowest prices directly on your chart. If you're working with daily price movements, this will give you a super clear visual cue of the extremes for the time frame you're analyzing. It's a bit like having someone put a sticky note right on the chart, saying, hey, here's the top and bottom you need to watch. And just like that, you'll see the high and low price labels pop up next to the relevant price points. This display can be a game changer for quickly spotting support and resistance areas, or simply for knowing how far the market has moved. If you don't see them right away, try clicking off and then back on, or even refreshing your chart. Sometimes TradingView needs a little nudge, but don't worry, it's super reliable once set up. That's all there is to it. Now you can keep an eye on those crucial high and low levels anytime you're analyzing the market. This little tweak can seriously help streamline your technical analysis and save you a bunch of time. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another TradingView trick you want to learn next. And if you want more clear, practical tutorials, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.